Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Tenorio, and I'm excited to share with you a short overview of the history of special education law in the United States. This presentation is designed to give parents and guardians a clear understanding of how these laws protect the rights of students with disabilities. Okay, a little brief history of special education before the 1970s. Before the 1970s, many children with disabilities were excluded from public schools. Some were placed in separate institutions, while others were denied any education at all. Parents had very little legal protection, and educational opportunities were extremely limited. From the 1970s to present day, okay, in 1975, the Congress passed the Education for All Handicapped Children Act, later renamed the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. IDEA guarantees a free, appropriate public education in the least restricted environment. Landmark court cases supported this shift. The PARC versus Pennsylvania in 1971, it ensured students with intellectual disabilities could not be denied a public education. Mills versus the Board of Education in 1972 extended the right to education to all students with disabilities, even if schools claimed financial limitations. The Parents and Students' Rights, two court cases, FERPA 1974, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, that gives the parents the right to access their children's educational records, request corrections, and control disclosure of information that they may need or that they may have. The Board of Education versus Rowley in 1982 gave first U.S. Supreme Court case interpreting IDEA. It determined that schools must provide some educational benefit, but not necessarily the best possible services. Together, these cases emphasize that parents are active partners and students are entitled to meaningful educational opportunities. In summary, special education laws have evolved to ensure that students with disabilities receive equitable, high quality education and that parents have a strong voice in the process. If you would like more information, please explore our school's special education webpage or reach out to your children's case manager or the IEP team. Thank you for being an important part of your child's educational journey.